The second method for solving quadratic polynomial equations we're going to look at is taking the square root. The key for solving quadratics using the square root is to isolate the squared term. Let's first look at an example such as 2x squared equals 64. This is my squared term, so I want to isolate that. I'll divide both sides by 2, which leaves me with x squared equals 32. And then the opposite of squaring something is to take the square root. So I will take the square root of both sides, but don't forget, when I square a negative, it becomes positive. So the square root of x squared is x, and then I can take that 32 and factor it into 16 times 2, which becomes 4 times 4 times 2. I'm looking for groups of 2. So that leaves me with plus or minus 4 square roots of 2. You can write it that way, or you can write it as 4 square roots of 2, negative 4 square roots of 2. If there is an entire expression that is squared, you do the same thing and isolate that expression. For example, if I have 5y plus 6 squared equals 48, this entire piece is the squared term. So from here, I can take the square root of both sides, again, that plus or minus, which leaves me with 5y plus 6 equals plus or minus. When I factor this, I get 4 square roots of 3. And then I do the same thing, but notice this becomes negative 6 plus or minus 4 square roots of 3. It's still 2 terms. And then I divide the whole thing by 5 to leave me with y equals negative 6 plus or minus 4 square roots of 3 over 5, which again can be written that way or as negative 5 plus 4 square roots of 3 over 5, or negative 6 minus 4 square roots of 3 over 5. Let me change that to a 5 there.